A Tea Seller and a Judge by Bharat Chugh. A story of criminalization of the poor under the Railway Act. Of a criminal, this judge writes, after thinking endlessly for days and nights. A young boy was produced before me. His abject poverty was for all to see. In a rich India of poor people, being poor was his crime. The welfare state naturally decided that he should serve his jail time. He was accused of selling tea without license in a train. He was migrant from a drought-ridden village. You could see his sheer pain. His father had hung himself on a tree. From the mountain debts on seeds, he wanted to break free. With that torn shirt, as if modesty was just for the rich, law or justice, I couldn't at first pick which. Why do you seek justice? This is a court of law, you see. Couldn't say that to him and still be me. An end in itself, law had become. Why? Couldn't we recalibrate the scales of justice? Should we try? The law required me to punish him. Its dry, blindfold diktat, an arbitrary whim. I chose to exonerate him, but didn't say anything. How could I ask him not to earn his bread when the state couldn't bring? Could I think of a more honorable way? This boy would have earned a living, selling honest tea with fair billing. Couldn't ask him for the illusionary dole to be handed out by the state. Could I deprive him of self-respect, his dare dignity waste? If I went by the strict letter of law and did fine, I wouldn't be able to sleep with the already vexed conscience of mine. For legal authority was there, but moral authority I had none. My nation's law had somewhat failed, and poverty had won. And poverty had won.